Hey there! Welcome, you beautiful people, to another crazy ass good time episode of Drunk Mom Reviews. As you know, I love a drunken pool party anytime I can throw one, and that means my pool had better be beautiful and spotless. You know, I can't have my damn guests like floating around in a pool of filth, which is why I am a huge fan of the brand Aiper, because they know how to keep a pool nice and clean, people. This beauty right here is the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, which is a poolside hero for me, people. Okay, let me explain why. First of all, look at this dope ass design. So sophisticated, am I right? So sexy. Yet it can like clean the hell out of your pool, people. It can outsmart any damn mess you might have in your pool. And it does not miss a spot, because here's the kicker. This bad boy can clean both the surface and the bottom, walls, and waterline. I have been dreaming about this for a long time, people. A pool cleaner that can both skim and clean. I don't think you realize how big of a deal this is, okay? Best of both worlds, baby! My husband can literally throw his old school, like that pool skimmer, in the trash now. Yeah, he is so pumped about that. And let's get into some of those specs and, technical stuff. It's got an industry-leading suction power with 9 brushless motors and 8,500 GPH suction power. I have no idea what GPH is, but damn, how the hell do they fit 9 motors in this thing? And then you throw the dual and rear brushes and an extra wide suction port. This suction is next level, people, and we'll get all the nasty debris. And speaking of nasty debris, let's talk about all the specific types of nasty debris this thing will pick up in your pool, okay? For water surface cleaning, it'll get pollen, leaves, insects, and hair. And for wall cleaning, it gets sunscreen oil, green algae, and dirt. For the floor cleaning, it gets leaves, dirt, cobble, fine sand, and coarse sand. And finally, the waterline cleaning gets like oil stains and green algae and microorganisms and dirt. Yeah, so basically, you're gonna have the cleanest damn pool in the neighborhood. And It also has got this like replaceable micro mesh ultra fine like filter to trap algae and fine dust that you can't even see with the naked eye. Ha! Naked. And it's super easy to clean off, by the way. As always, the basket is also easy to clean, okay? You just you pop it out, dump out all the debris, and pop it right back in. And the battery life is also on it's like another level, people. It has 10 hours of battery life and can clean up to 3,200 square feet, people. This machine can pick up 146 leaves per hour versus the average one, which is only 80 leaves for other pool cleaners. That's almost double, right? And it's got this crazy high-tech 2.0 ultrasonic sensor, which provides comprehensive pool mapping. It knows every inch of your pool, no matter how weird the shape of your pool may be. It can even, ready for this? Do stairs. Yes, people. It knows how to navigate itself around ladders and other obstacles where it could get stuck. But not this guy. And of course, you can control this beast of a pool cleaner with their wicked ass app. That's right. You can do everything from here. You can choose your mode, and it's got a floor mode, a floor and a wall mode, a surface mode, and my favorite, hero mode, which does it all. Also, you can set schedules. If you're out and about at a bar and you forget to clean your pool, it will also tell you if it's time to charge up that battery. You plop it on the charging dock and it is ready for action again in no time. So you can choose from 3 levels of intensity to extend that battery life. That's a good one. Max mode can get your pool done in around I'd say 3 hours. Well, eco mode, it can take up to 5 hours. Now let me quickly tell you about the HydroCalm Pro, which is an accessory sold separately, and it's a solar powered smart pool monitor, an underwater communication device. It can tell you your pool's pH levels and temperature and a bunch of other really cool stuff. And it monitors your cleaner in real time. Yeah. You really can't get any better than this pool cleaner. P.S. They have customer support 24/7 if you need it. So order yours today and get those awesome pool parties going, because summer is right around the corner, people. Get ready for it. Link is in the caption so you can get yours today. Make sure you subscribe, and comment. Until next time, I love